Mm, Today I will answer this question. Do you like to see animal in the zoo? Uh, so my answer is yes, definitely yes. Because I want to widen my view about wild animals uh, that I didn't see them in nature. And when I was a child, I really love animal, and I want to go to the zoo, but my family was poor, and I don't have money to do it. But right now I have money. I have a job, so I have money, but I don't have time to go to the zoo. So uh, so I hope I have a chance to go to the zoo with my child in the future.